Good evening. In an effort to protect lives and property, the Texas Transportation Institute is testing a new type of barrier designed to keep cars from driving into buildings.
Yeah, a year ago we told you how TTI was developing a standard for measuring the effectiveness of these types of barriers. Today they actually put a barrier to the test.
Yeah, KAGS News reporter Ian Smith has an up-close look at those trials.
With an impact like that, imagine if the barrier wasn't there.
Well, as we've all seen on the news, people intentionally driving through the front of a hotel or someone intentionally driving through a gas station, restaurant, or any other establishment. It's dangerous for the people inside the buildings and on the sidewalks.
TTI and the traffic guard teamed up to create a new barrier, also known as a bollard.
Inside the bollard, it's the tensile strength, the shear strength of the steel, and the thickness of the wall, the diameter of the pipe. It's a combination of those three things.
Now they're testing the bollard using standards developed by TTI. And there are two parts to the test. First, the barrier must keep the vehicle from going 12 inches beyond it. And second, it must keep the vehicle from going past it by 4 feet. In this test, the vehicle was going 10 miles per hour, and the bollard passed both standards. Now we are setting up for the fourth and final test of the day. This time, this vehicle will come at this bollard at 30 miles per hour and crash into it. The goal is to keep the vehicle from moving 12 inches beyond the bollard, because that is the safety zone. At 30 miles per hour, the bollard passed the second standard of 4 feet, but it failed the first standard of 12 inches. It will be retooled and retested. In Bryan, Ian Smith, KAGS HD News.
Now, a total of 4 tests were performed today. The bollard passed all standards on 3 of those tests.
The fourth test, as you just saw in the story, was a partial pass.